Burton family. Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna unbox Optimus Prime from Transformers Revenge of the Fallen.
And what do you have, Lily?
Godzilla.
Godzilla, and what else?
And a car. And then Spinosaurus, and then the DLX.
Can I see? That's incredible. Where did you get that from?
At Frankenstein's. Wow, so cool. And Ben, son, this power. Pick him up, Jackie. You Optimus. But why? I want them. Nope. I want these. Thank you, Jackie. You're welcome. I like these. No. I'm not talking. I want something like that. Yeah. There he is. Yeah, he is. Optimus Prime. That was where his head is.
Oh. You need help with taking that off?
I got it.
What are you adding on there?
These door pieces. Cause you one was broken. Cause you got a new one, right? Yeah. Mommy, he got chicken. Doing the camera. Mommy, look, Mommy, he had chicken.
Oh, he's eating a chicken?
Yeah.
Let me see. Wow.
This one is for him. He's so heavy.
He is
And he's so
heavy.
big. This one for him. All of these are for him. Tiny one. Mommy,
All right.
look at Mom. Mommy, look at me. He's big and then he's big too. He has some.
Oh my goodness.
I opened the box. Yeah.
What's your favorite part about this DLX Optimus Prime? Huh?
I like. Mommy, he ate it from me. Mom, he ate the chicken from me.
Ate the chicken from you?
Ew, it is. Look at. Yucky, yucky, Mom.
Alright, what do you think, guys?
Got the shoulders. I like it. You like it? You say you like it, Willie?
You like it, Lily?
Yeah. Very small.
Alright.
Say bye.
See
Bye.
you later, alligator.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Have a good day, friends. Have a good day, friends. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel of Optimus Prime from Revenge of the Fallen. And subscribe for the channel. Hello, welcome to our channel. I have DLX Optimus Prime from Transformers.